Tulio. I wanted to say it with a straight face, but I couldn't. Where is my boy Josh at, bro? I think my boy Josh moved back to Michigan. I think he's moving back to Michigan, which I heard. Which sucks, because all the homies are leaving, bro. I wanted to start the vlog completely different to see if you guys would like notice, but I couldn't keep a straight face. I can't do it. But what's up, guys? They watching another video early morning today. It is 7:20 in the morning. We are driving. It is cold out too. We're about to meet up with the homie Fresh Kicks, and I think a lot of other people. There's a caravan from our area all the way to LA to this Cars and Coffee. This Cars and Coffee is happening at this shop with that crazy lighting. I've been there plenty of times in the vlog. I think like 2 or 3 times. They've been car meets there. It's like where they have like the studio photo shoot lighting. Super sick shop. But on the way over there should be a pretty cool cruise because I think Kicks started like a little caravan. It's gonna be a fun cruise. I think I enjoy the driving like to the meets better, and I think you guys enjoy those vlogs better, like all the cruising and stuff like that, the racing. I think you guys enjoy that more than like just the car meets. I know the car meet stuff's getting a little bit repetitive, so this should be a cool little fun cruise. I'm excited. I'll try to film the best I can. I don't have a filmer, but I'll try to film. But I appreciate you guys watching another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. We're trying to hit 300K now. We're on the road to 300K. Also smash the like button before we even get into the video. We're running late, like always, so let's hurry up, meet them at the gas station, and get this cruise going. Let's go. It is too early though. I am not a morning person, guys. I'm sorry. I just can't do mornings. I've always been like this, to be honest. Even when I was like in high school and stuff like that, I could not get up in the morning, bro. It also doesn't help that I stay up all night editing vlogs and stuff like that. What the? Guys, I think my fender liner's like broken, and that shit's rubbing now, which sucks. Let's see who's here. I texted Kicks. I think he's already late to his own meet, to his own caravan. Now he's the late one, bro. I'm usually always the one that's late. Bro, also, I freaking popped the spin pool last night. That shit's all red. Right in your guys' face, I'm sorry. There he is. I beat him for once. Usually I'm always late, guys. I'm always the last one wherever we go. Look at his handprints. I wanted to wash my car today too. I tried to wake up earlier, but I could not do it, guys. It's way too early for me. Look at my wheels. They got fingerprints all over them. But yeah, that shit's rubbing somewhere. I think it's like all this. I don't know what happened. Oh yeah, see, I think it broke in half. My fender liner, guys. This shit's all ripped. That's a clean 350. Sometimes I do miss my car. You guys want to see a video on my old 350? Like I said, I still know the owner who has it. Like I see him here and there at car meets. He doesn't really drive this to car meets. He drives like his F80 because he has an F80 too, which is crazy. But he still has my Z, guys, that he won in the giveaway. You guys want to see a video with it? He told me I can make as much content as I want with it, so he even wanted me to drive it. So maybe we could do another video with the 350 if you guys want to see it again. This thing's sick. Look at the wheels. Sheesh. It's fire. Fast boys. God damn. Fat tire on the back. The Nismo wheels in the front. That's clean. What we got over here? Mustang. That thing looks fast too. All the fast guys. PQ? Where are the PQ guys at? You guys always ask where they're at, but they're working. I just haven't been to the shop in a long time. Some more Z's. Kicks brought the S15 out today. He should have brought the Z. Look, everyone got the Z's out. Those wheels are freaking sick. But yeah, he brought the S15. E85 boys. I miss pumping E85. Guys, I really need to get my GTR back. You know, I was looking back at it, and it's actually been like 4 months since it first broke. Since the transmission first broke. That was even before like Hawaii. You guys remember when I went to Hawaii in the vlogs? It's been that long. 4 months, guys, since my GTR first broke. It took like a month or so to get it back. I got it back, it broke right away. And now it's gone again for another month. It freaking sucks, dude. It's been gone for literally 4 months. I looked back at the dates. I didn't realize how long it's been, but yeah, it's been very long without my GTR. So for these of you guys saying like, oh, the GTR content's getting boring. Bro, the GTR's even been on the channel in 4 months. What are you talking about? So hopefully we can get it back and make all new content again. It'll be like I'm getting the GTR all over again because, yeah, I haven't even got to enjoy my GTR, which sucks. But anyways, hopefully the GTR will be back soon. Hopefully we could be part of the 85 squad again. This car is too clean, like literally. I love S15s, guys. So fire. Look at the wheels, all polished. Chrome, triple chrome, whatever you want to call it. Mirror. Literally, it's like a mirror, bro. I love the wastegates too. Isn't that so crazy? Shit, we'll shoot flames out the side. On my way, girl. That's funny. Look at the fitment, guys. Sheesh. That shit gonna rub for sure. I'm telling you, I think it sticks out more than it used to. Look at that. She got a monster truck fitment. What is this? Oh, it's part of the tire. Yeah, this shit gonna rub, guys. This is the secret, guys. Put the heater on, put the seat warmers on, and then roll the windows down. Cause it is too cold to be driving with the windows down right now, but I gotta film for you guys. So put the heater on while the windows are down, and we'll be good. I think it's nice. My boy with the vent. This vent sounds insane, dude. It's hella fast too. Actually hurt my ear, like I'm not even joking. I need to start wearing some ear protection or something, bro, because all these making these vlogs for you guys around loud cars all the time is not the move, bro. This shit hurts my ears and I'm actually going deaf, like I'm not even kidding. All right, we made it to the meet. This meet never has parking, so we had to park way down the street. You could kind of see my F80 over there, but anyways, the parking sucks here, which sucks. But look at this E92. This thing is sick. I actually like the wing on it. And the wheels, BBS's. And then this one, you guys remember this one? 1,000 horsepower, 240. Insane, bro. Yeah, that's a nice color. Super nice color. Supra nice color. I'm so stupid. Sheesh. This thing is beautiful. Red too. Fast guy. Damn. Shit hard. GT2 RS. Big baller. That shit's so expensive. And look at the shop, guys. You guys remember it now? You guys might remember. We came here plenty of times in the vlog. They always got like the best lighting here. Perfect for photo shoots. Oh my God, Mark has the Supra here, guys. You guys remember this? The homie Mark, he literally repainted it, did a whole makeover on it. And this is paint, this is not wrap. Look how beautiful, bro. Holy crap. That is nice. Look at 2JZ. Because it does have a 2JZ, guys. I don't think it's in the engine yet. Engine bay? Nope, look at it. But the whole engine bay is painted. 412 actually built the whole 2JZ swap and everything like that. I think it was like one of the first street cars with the 2JZ in it. And it's stick shift, but it's not in there. Holy crap. I have not seen this car since he redone it, and it is insane, inside and out. Look at that. Big baller, bro. That paint is insane. The single exit 2JZ, so fire. I could look at this all day. That paint is insane. Yeah, Mark has the craziest cars. He had a crazy Lambo. What else did he have? He let me drive his NSX once. If you guys remember that wide body NSX that he gave away, he let me drive that once. All his cars are just insane, inside and out. Look at that. Wow, that is too nice. You can even see, like, look how they painted the whole hood. Because the whole hood was originally carbon fiber. They left the little vents carbon. These used to be carbon too, but he painted them. That looks so fire. Every time I come here, I'm like speechless. Like, it's so clean. Over here has a Porsche GT3 RS. Look at this shop. Ooh, 36. I gotta go look at that, but Porsche, literally spotless. It's too clean. Wow, bro, look at the interior. Bro, these cars are way too nice. E36. Dakar yellow or Dakar yellow, guys? I always ask it. How do you pronounce it? HRE wheels. Super nice. Again, I say it every time, but I'm so sad that I sold mine. My interior was like just as clean as it is, if not more clean. Yeah, this shop's literally perfect. Look, you can detail the cars. You can have photo shoots here. Just remember when I brought the GTR here? My GTR looked insane here. If I can find the video, I'll put it right here. But yeah, like these lights make the paint, it makes my wrap look like paint. Literally the wrap looked immaculate, bro. But yeah, look, even the Porsche looks clean. God damn, look at the carbon. Yeah, I wish my garage could be like this. Imagine a lot of Porsches. Another GT3. The 80, oh my God, that shit fire. What the heck? She got BBS's on it. I know you guys aren't, I know there's a lot of people that aren't big fans of all black wheels, but I am. And I think that's sick, all black BBS's. Because everyone usually does like polished, chrome, but all black looks fire. I like it. A bunch of other sick cars, kicks over there, but look at the GTR though. And it's red. That thing is hella clean. My boy even got the barrels clean. No brake dust. Damn, his GTR is super nice. Shit looks brand new. Again, or just the lighting. These lights in the garage will be fire. This looks like the Batcave. I miss my GTR. You got cream interior. You hardly ever see that. Oh, and it's red. You guys remember when my GTR was red? Probably my favorite color I've done on my GTR too. I thought about doing red again, but I knew you guys were gonna be mad. Like, why don't you switch it up? Pretty much like the same color as my Z was. That candy red. BBS's. Yeah, and Kix's car looks hella clean right here too. His interior is mint too. Got the little screen. Damn. So freaking sick. The 240 that makes like 1,000 horsepower. Look at all that race car. Damn, RX-8? I feel like you never see these cars. Are they like not cool? Or because you never see them, bro. Like at all. I never realized that the back door is like that. I never realized that. That's a weird design. I just haven't seen these cars enough to see or to notice. Bro, I've seen the Supra before. It's so nice. I've seen it all over Instagram. Hood exit. Damn, bro. That might be one of the sickest Supras I've seen. Sorry, Gustavo. Loved Gustavo's Supra too, but this thing is just so clean. I don't know why. But I'm gonna give Gustavo credit though. I feel like Gustavo was the first one to do all this stuff and start the trend with the big tire, the T's in the front, the missing headlight. It looks like Gustavo's car. After Gustavo did it, everyone started doing it. Sheesh, I told you. Big old single turbo, hood exit. So R34 just chilling back here, guys. Bro, that is crazy. That was pretty sick. Right hand drive. Porsche. Oh, this thing is so beautiful. V-Spec R34 GTR. Why is it just in the back chilling?
This is like, damn, bro, like.
I know, just back here all by itself. I need a picture with it, guys.
Damn, all over me. Hello, all over.
Why is it all by itself back here, bro? Damn, that thing is nice. Sheesh. I had to come up the street, look at this thing. Damn. You got that lip that I freaking broke. I think that's like the best looking lip, to be honest. But it just hangs so low. I don't know how my boy is driving it. I'm assuming it's on bags, but if he's static, he is crazy, because that's just how low I was, I think. I like this color of the T's. It's just so nice. But he is low. I know the struggle, bro. I know he probably hates driving it just like I do. It looks good, just not drivable, bro. I miss the GTR sound. Look who pulled up, guys. My boy. This shit is so crazy. Damn, bro. Bro, it sounds crazy. God damn, I still want one so bad. Sheesh. It's so dope. Oh my god. I was trying to direct it, but he almost hit the thing. Bro, this thing is insane, guys. Too clean. BBS's, it's red, it's cammed. You guys remember when he let me drive it? One of the most fun times I've had literally driving this thing. And he let me do donuts in it. They wanted me to bring my F80 in here, guys, but it's too dirty. I went out there to double check it. It's way too dirty. I'm embarrassed to bring it in here, but I feel like under these lights, it might look clean. Either it will look clean and you won't see the dirt, or you'll be able to notice the dirt even more. Which one are you guys taking, guys? I'm for sure taking S15, I'm sorry. But this one is fast though, so I don't know, you gotta pick. I had to come look at this, guys. Look, it's parked up the street. This thing should be parked inside. But Millennium Jade painted GTR, not wrapped. Right-hand drive. I've seen this one plenty of times in my vlogs, but if you guys haven't seen it, look, right-hand drive GTR, R35. How crazy is that? That would be so weird to drive. It's weird to even look at because I'm not used to that, but we're getting pulled over and then bro, he just busted a U-turn out of nowhere. No.
Never been arrested?
Never.
Be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching